In this Alphacam tech tip, we're going to be talking about using polar coordinates when drawing geometry. So if I hit the line command and I come down, pick my first point at XY00, it's going to ask me where's my line to. If I hit F1, it hits unknown in, and if I obviously pick Y30, it now allows me to pick the polar direction. So I'm going to pick 90 degrees, you can see there it plots our next coordinate. So the same can work for this angle. I can put line to X unknown, Y50. If I hit OK again, I'll just zoom in, you can see I can actually put the angle in. What that will do is then plot the correct coordinate for me. And I can simply go around, add in the rest of my coordinates in my sketch. Obviously going along using the tab function as well, which remember the last entered value. I can simply then hit F4 to automatically close and finish.